SmartPack, the vacuum sealing device specifically for clothing. If you want to ship your clothing, we offer a solution for people who want to reduce their shipping costs. Place your items in a plastic bag inside the device, close the lid, and it will compress automatically. SmartPack can compress even bulky items of clothing into a compact size. It is especially effective for products that contain lots of air, like cushions and knitted clothing. Items take up much less space, meaning they can be sent by postal mail for significant cost savings. SmartPack can handle all kinds of plastic bags, so you can send a lot of goods at once. They can also be shipped as is. Plastic bags can be sealed even if they are larger than the width of the device. Compression rates can be adjusted for different purposes to preserve the fabric of your products. It is safe and easy to use. For customer service, hygienic item management, disaster response item storage, and much more, reduce the costs associated with e-commerce. SmartPack, the clothing compression packaging device. TOSEI.